guys, what's up? It's your girl Missy Unstoppable. So this morning we make some Calaloo, yeah, saltfish and Calaloo with some fried dumpling. Yes, I put it in a Calabash when we get from Ghana. Yes, Calabash. Yeah. So guys, take a look at this video. It's just a short video. It wasn't nothing too big. I just didn't want to make a big video. I just want to show you guys the finishing product of my Calaloo and saltfish with some fried dumpling. So let me take on over. I'm gonna go watch a video and tell me what I think about my Calabash with my Calaloo and my saltfish and my fried dumpling. So guys, let's go watch a video.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, right here I make some fried dumplings, yeah, sitting in my calabash, and over here I have some Calaloo with saltfish sitting in my calabash. It's just like a random video. It's not like a video per se. So I just made this fried dumpling, so I didn't want to make a video today, so I just showing you the finishing product of my fried dumplings and my Calaloo with saltfish. Look at that colorful saltfish right there. Look at that Calaloo right there popping. Yeah, sitting in my calabash. And guys, I get this calabash from Ghana, Africa. There's some roots there. Yes guys, so I hope you all enjoy this little shorts video. Guys, look at this Calaloo right there. So as what we said in Jamaica, Ilaloo, but it's Calaloo. Ital stuff. And those are my delicious fried dumplings. Oh my god, all this one now is some nice hot chocolate tea. Yes, so that's my shorts video. Hope you all enjoy this little video, and I hope you all subscribe to my channel, hit the post notification, and don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up. Okay.